Good morning and Jai Hind to all. Saraswati Sisikunj Bagwala Board Search English Medium Standard 3rd Subject is Evs. Students, now it's a time of revision. We will do revision from chapter number 13 to 16. 13, 14, 15 and 16. Revision for second unit test. Here we are going to discuss some question answer, and this question answer is helpful to you in your second unit test. In this video, we will discuss some question answer in detail. So students, you have to pay proper attention and you have to watch it properly. Okay. So we'll start. Question number 3, answer the following questions, and it is from chapter number 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay. So in your unit test exam, we consider 4 chapters, chapter number 13, 14, 15 and 16. Here we will discuss long questions and some short questions also. Okay, so you have to pay proper attention. We will write first one. First question: how can you take care of old people around you? How can you take care of old people around you? Students, how can we take care of old people, those who are living around you? Okay, you know, we already learned that old people wants our love, our time. We always love and respect our elders people. We always love and respect our elderly people. Okay, we should always ready to help them. We should always ready to help them in their work. As a child or as a student, we should never hurt their feelings. The people who are old in age, we should never hurt their feelings. Okay, so in such way we can take care of old people around us. Okay, I'm writing here. So as per our discussion, we are writing here, we should always love and respect elderly people. We should always love and respect elderly people. We should always help them. We should always help them. We should never hurt their feelings. We should never hurt their feelings. In that way, we can take care of old people around us. Next question: how can you help old people? We can help them to finding their things. We can help them to cross the road when we are on road. Okay, we can help them by sharing our feelings. We should always be ready for their help when he or she can ask for it. We never refuse their demand of helping. Okay, in that way we can help. So we are writing here. So as per our discussion, we can write, we should be ready to help our blind friends when need it or they ask for it. Okay, we should be ready to help our blind friends when they need or ask for it. We can help them to cross the road when we are on road, or finding their things. We can help them in finding their things when we are with them. Okay. Our next question: who first thought of Braille script? So when we discussed the chapter, we already discussed about it. Who thought for first Braille script? Yes, you know, Louis Braille. Louis Braille first thought for Braille script. So that's we write. Okay, Louis Braille. Louis Braille is not a blind person by born, but he was injured with his father's tool, and that's why, and they have interest of reading and writing. That's why, for that, they found Braille script. Okay, Louis Braille is not blind by born, but when he was playing with his father's tool and he got injured in his eyes, and he thought that how can I read and write, and thought that he found Braille script. So we can say that Louis Braille first thought of Braille script. Louis Braille first thought of Braille script. 6 number, what is Braille script? Students, number 4, what is Braille script? Students, when we discuss in lesson, we already learned that Braille is one kind of special script. Students, you know, Braille is nothing else but one kind of script. Braille is one kind of Script. So Braille is a form of script with raised dot. Braille is a form of script with raised dot. It is a special system for blind people. It is a special system for blind people to read and write. Blind people can feel the raised dot on the paper with their fingers. Blind people can read the letters with the help of their fingers. They put their fingers on the raised dot and they can identify, yes, it is A or B. Okay, so Braille is a form of script with raised dot. It is a special system for blind people to read and write. Blind people can feel the raised dot on the paper with their fingers. Okay, we will see next. Who reads the newspaper aloud to Seema's Nani? Yes. Who reads newspaper aloud to Seema's Nani? Yes. Seema's father. Seema's father reads the newspaper aloud to Seema's Nani. I am writing here. Okay. Seema's father reads the newspaper aloud to Seema's Nani. Who reads? Seema's father reads the newspaper aloud to Seema's Nani. Why? Yes. Seema's Nani is unable to read or listen properly because she was old, and for that Seema's father reads the newspaper aloud to Seema's Nani every day in the morning. Every day in the morning, Seema's father reads newspaper aloud for Seema's Nani. Okay, we will see next question. 6 number, which things we get from a plant? Which things we get from a plant? So students, we know we get cereals, fruits, vegetables, their leaves, okay, so honey, such kind of things we can get from trees. We all know we get so many things from plants like fruits, flowers, leaves, wood, cereals, pulses. Okay, so we will write its correct answer. So we get cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, spices, wood, etc. from the plants. Again, we get cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, spices, wood, etc. from the plants. Okay, we will see next question. 7th one, which things we get from animals? Students, when we discuss about food, which kind of things we can get from animals for eating, for food, as a food? So we get milk, meat, eggs, fishes, honey. Okay, such kind of food items we can get from animals. Okay, again, milk, meat, eggs, fish, and honey we can get from animals. So we will write. So we can say we get milk, meat, egg, fishes, and honey from the plant. We get milk, meat, egg, fish, and honey from the plant. Students, here we discuss some question and its answer which helpful to you in your exam, and it is from chapter number 13, 14, 15, and 16 in our textbook. Okay, I hope you learn that question answer very well. I hope you will learn it and you will be understood it easily. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. We are ending our class here. Okay, thank you.